Ready to unlock a treasure trove of free entertainment on your Samsung Smart TV? Let's get Pluto TV installed. First, power on your Samsung Smart TV and navigate to the Apps section. It usually looks like a little house or a collection of squares. Use your remote to select and open the Apps menu. Once inside the App Store, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Pluto TV using your remote's on-screen keyboard. You'll see the Pluto TV app appear in the search results. It has a purple icon with the Pluto TV logo. Select the Pluto TV app to proceed. Now, you're on the Pluto TV app page. Look for the install button. It might also say Add to Home. Click that button to start the download and installation process. The app will begin downloading and installing. This might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Just be patient and let it finish. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Open. Click Open to launch Pluto TV for the first time. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Pluto TV. You can now browse through tons of free channels and on-demand movies and shows. Use your remote to explore and start watching. Enjoy!